Yaman ang palalo tingkat panangin tutos kanyakan. At tugaw kayo ako at sa bayang monthly greetings kay Irugit panagsao. Adaman talo nga banag nga kaya tunay baga. Umuna, no umayak iti Cordillera. Nakayo matat iti kadatagsinan nga mangteg ti kastoy. Napanak kay Bisaw, nagteg ti kastoy na taksoy. Napanak kay Punto, napanak kay Tabo, kadatagsinan. May katwa, no ang sauwat ti sanguanan nyo, whenever I talk before a group of people coming from the Cordillera, I feel so comfortable and I feel at home. Dahil nga natin kay Puntanyanan, I have visited more than 100 local government units in the Philippines. And dito'y laang munisipyo ti Banggit, ti Pakamitaan, at ti Mayor, former nga pioneer, ti maysa nga cooperative. Kaya muna, amoy kaysa una tatay PMES ti Jalan. Mapalinan nga ag-recruit ni Mayor, the additional member of the cooperativa. Before I proceed, I am so thankful for this invitation. You know, it's Cooperative Month, and as the chair of the Cooperative Development Authority, nakado iti imbitasyon ti Intero Mag-Pilipinas. Gam ko na, no agabo iti karo, kinagabo ti Region 1 ti imbitasyon, is ipaigin mo na itataduman niya imbitasyon sa papanta iti karo na. Palakpak kayo nga palakpak, nung parehas tayo nga mangungutang, ti cooperativa. No istorya, man yan, istorya ni Mayor, may mutang isong na tinagpaalala, baka umatitang, hindi ba nagsaot ka na kayo? Yan, kuna, one of the best decisions, I have told this many times to you, one of the best decisions I made in life is to be a member of a cooperative. So maamo, mapili mo dayta. Yan. So managita na utang natin kooperatiba at yaman kayo, kami kayo utang kayo. Hindi tayo awat utang na pangaasi yung utang kayo mo.
At pautang ka mo natin.
Dahil natin negosyo tayo, muna ni Mayor, credit. Dawan tumutang na one negosyo ni ko, saka ito ang expected yung patronage refund. Individendo. So, utang kayo. My thanks to our beloved Mayor in the municipality of Banggit, Mayor Pope Cardenas, and of course, to the other local government and provincial head in province of Abra, and to the representative of Congressman Bernos, Attorney Sales, good morning. And to the rest of the leaders, of course, I would like to make mention to our Regional Director of the CDA and the rest of my CDA family here in the Cordillera. I would also like to mention Engineer Irene Bringas, the CEO of Ademco, and I think the chair of your RCTC. Kaya birthday na, piman ni Galman. Nakaraman kayo wala tikay. Naraman ang tatay yan. Ladies and gentlemen. Isang ang tultuloy ko ma'am. Panagyaman ka rin muna, panagyaman kayo. Isang ang ito sumaruno, sino man ti host. Imbes nga dyan nagat ni kooperatiba man, iti placard nyo, ikatil yung man ijay, nga ay ayagat ti kooperatiba. Si uutang ang ti kooperatiba, napaadal ko dyan anak ko kapag ti kooperatiba. Kaya nakaasawa kapag ti kooperatiba. Wala na ganun, yung programa. Noong matay yung may isang membro ni kooperatiba, at ay abuloy di membro, ano yan? So kung nagsayaan, yung matay ni kooperatiba, sino di may mapanal? Wala na. Apay nga na dyan na tayo laang. Kunada, isumadali yung di kooperatiba, mapatigyan sakit ng membro, tulungan ka. Kinali di kamayatan. Pati ang kasar ng membro, ikan di kooperatiba, dirigalo na. Nung natin maminsan lang ang kasar, lahat ka tayo kasar. And these are the social benefits that we get. These are the benefits that are cannot be given by any other lending institution. Iso nga, panagyaman ka nagiti mo na, panagyaman tayo nagta, kaya may katlo, panangkita tayo di masakbayan. Iso nga, adat joke ko ako, namamok na nagtigiti na tumala ito yun. Hindi ko nagaramit kami ni prayer committee. Prayer committee. Dua lang tinwaro na, isang media ako nang itinaga, nang itinakautang ka saan nga may bayan. Dua lang tikararang na, umuna nga kararang. Lord, sana makabayad na sila. Makahanap na ng pambayan. Ito ang maganda, yung pangalawa, panalangin. Lord, pag hindi pa sila nakabayad, kunan mo na sila. Maraming kayo prayer committee. Awan kayo yung nagdiside, awan kayo yung kayo, mabalik kayo ng nakapurmar, hindi prayer committee. Okay? So, panagyaman ka na hindi muna, panagyaman kayo nagta, pinapanagsagana para hindi masakbayan, hindi cooperative. Kaya natin palang sagana tayo, the way we prepare our cooperatives right now, my dear friends, my fellow cooperators, is to include the younger generation. And I've seen many young leaders that are among us. And I think they are the ones who are going to ensure the sustainability, the sustenance, and the future of cooperatives in the Cordilleras. I am sure that the cooperative movement in the Cordilleras has become so active. Before, it was so hard to recruit membership. But now, at dan nagiti membro nito, membro pa ikay manalo. Natin ko karating ba? Isong anuhan mga project, long na di may isang ako, ang panle, diba? Diba? Umutang na di ba kayo, pagbayad na di ba kayo? Tatlain. And my journey, amoyo, dati as I always say in my previous speeches, I am part of the regulated. Kaslaak ka na kayo. Good. Hindi kaslaak ka na kayo, di mo na nga reklamo na imas na kapiniriyan, gadatata. When I was like you, I was once questioning some of the memorandum circulars that are brought out by the city. Now that I am part of the regulator, you can now directly tell your concerns to your humble chairperson. Dahil di magsabalya na kanta. You can tell it to Feli and then Feli gives it to me, or you can directly inform me. And this is the essence of a cooperator, of a former cooperative leader who goes at the helm of the city. Amok tinitrignahin nyo, amok ti kayat nyo nga maaramin, inamok iti kayat nyo ti masakbayan. But come to think of it, the value and the importance of regulation. Gamin, importante na ito because we handle other people's money. We keep other people's money and we invest other people's money. Therefore, we should be compliant. Therefore, we should adhere to rules and requirements. Because that's the only way to ensure that every single centavo ako na inted iti membro tayo is taken care of. Iso nga nagmayat yung minention ni Mayor tayo about governance. Tigarin ko muna nga umutang ti kooperatiba dahil ti board of directors ta. Nung pamusiran sudah makaumot naman, direktura kunana. But that doesn't happen anymore. Because we are now truly inspired and truly dedicated when it comes to governance. And we would like to assure the mayor that all the present cooperatives right now here in this car culminating activity for the Compan celebration are all compliant cooperatives. So mapalakpakan tayo mga kayo. Nakayungan na bilyoner na ko, tayang yumanti mayo. Kita bilyoner na kooperatiba, ada tataga BSU, ada TEMCO, ada Tabok Farmers, anya nga ko tiyay, ASCOM, Quads, and the others. Tulungan tayo mag-alag yung ibabasi. Magtod kayo mo, hindi kas latulong yung uray talent lain. Kanya ka. Hangga kwarta, may ruwag na. Talent. When I say talent, you share your success stories. You share also your failure stories. Because from failure stories, they will learn something. Di mo na mga failure stories tayo, mo yung kooperatiba, dosary loans. May dosary loans. Loans ti officer, director, loan ti officer, loan ti staff, get related interest. Hindi tayo nanang-tatang ni director, kapsat ni director. Diyan. Noong kayo nakakolekta dito sa reyon, ang sakit na ulo yun. Sa akin ito ang biro ti kolektor. Ipan nyo pa yung prayer committee ginaganda. And some of the updates of the CDA. This is my 7th month at the CDA. And one of the focus and one of my commitment is to visit cooperatives entirely. I wanted CDA to be nearer and friendlier to cooperatives. And that is my commitment. Because I owe it to you. Hanak mo nga makatugaw dito, no awan, naging endorsement yun. Hanak mo nga makatugaw dito, no awan na kayo. Unang araw, in the first place, CDA will not be organized. CDA will not be established. No awan di co-op sector. You are our reason for being. Therefore, we should serve you at our most dedicated way of service. Ngamhanda kami mo ang mapagbalinan ng threat di kooperatiba. At na istorya karon kanang iti nanggaling ng duman nagsuwag tano di ko SWOT. Awang kami mo di strength. Awang kami mo di witness. Okay lang. Nakararawang kami di opportunity. Number 1 kami di threaten. Ano mo ito nangaramitin ng threat ni CDA? Tulungan na kayo. So kada tinaramid ko, CDA will not be at your back. CDA will not be in front of you. CDA will walk side by side with you, hand in hand, to a cooperative development. Ang kami nga muna, ang kami nga nadagalin ng Diyo, ututang na kaming tupa. We will walk with you side by side. And I have formulated an acronym called TAP. Ang CDA po ay patuloy na tutulong sa cooperative. Ang CDA po ay patuloy na aalalay sa cooperative. At ang CDA po ay patuloy na gagabay sa cooperative. Kaya, although this is a culminating activity of our co-op month celebration, let cooperativism be in our heart. Let cooperativism be part of our daily life. And all of us together who believes in the movement called cooperatives continue to shine and be a model to other Filipino citizens in the Philippines. With that, na agyaman ang launay, mabuhay ang kooperatiba sa Cordillera. Mabuhay po ang CDA, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Sir Alex. As always, vibrant and energetic. Pak na pak talaga si Sir Alex. Palakpakan po nga natin ulit si Sir. Your message really reminded us that cooperatives are not just organizations, they are living legacies built on trust, unity, and shared vision of ordinary people striving for collective progress. Through your words, we were reminded of the sacrifices and determination of those who came before us, whose principles of mutual fairness and help and empowerment continue to guide us today. So again, sir, maraming salamat po.